Just a quick update on the rain. You can see the pool is basically full. There's a drain about 6 inches by 4 inches, but it can't keep up. And the yard, you can see now flooded, even though the yard is on kind of a high point. About 6 inches of water in the yard. And here's that hardly a brook from yesterday. Certainly more than a brook now, and that is the golf course where most of the water is coming from, and that water is coming off the road. And again, this is day one of what is probably 4 days of this level of rain. Good luck.